Hi, it's Kerry. I'm showing you my lion collection today. The white lion. A recessive gene gives white lions their unusual colours. A similar gene also produces white tigers. Most of their population is found in zoos where they are bred, although they used to be found in the wild. Can you tell me how many white lions in today's video? Remember to count this little cub. The lioness. Female lions are the primary hunters of the group. They are smaller and more agile than the males. But since their prey is still generally faster than them, they use teamwork to bring an animal down. They form a semicircle with the smaller, weaker lionesses herding the prey towards the centre. Then the stronger females knock the animal down and make the kill. The male lion. They spend their time guarding their territory and their cubs. They maintain the boundaries of their territory by roaring, marking it with urine, and chasing off intruders. Their thick manes, a unique trait to male lions, protect their necks when they fight with challengers. Unlike other cats, lions are very social animals. They live in groups called prides of around 30 lions. A pride consists of up to 3 males, a dozen related females, and their young. The size of the pride is determined by the availability of food and water. Pride members keep track of one another by roaring. Both males and females have a very powerful roar that can be heard up to 8 kilometers or 5 miles away. Simba is king of the Pride lands. He is a wise and respected ruler with respect for the traditions of other animals. And here's a young Simba and Keon, the lion cubs. Lions live in the grasslands, scrub and open woodlands of sub-Saharan Africa. The lion is the second largest cat in the world. The tiger is slightly larger. They are closely related and have a very similar body type. Lions like to spend a lot of the day sleeping or resting. Lions are the laziest of the big cats. They can be found lying on their backs with their feet up or taking a snooze up a tree. While lazing around, they are very affectionate towards one another, rubbing heads, grooming and purring. And here's another large white lion. After a successful hunt, all the lions in the pride share the meal, but there is a pecking order, with the adult males taking first claim, followed by the lionesses and finally the cubs. Only certain species of cats roar. The big cats such as lions, tigers and jaguars. They have a special structure in their throats. Lions are thought to roar to communicate, especially over longer distances. Their roar is very deep. I like the articulated jaw. And here's another cub. When a lion smells something interesting, it will wrinkle up its nose, retract its lips and clench its teeth, pulling a somewhat pained expression. This is known as the Fleeman response. Other animals do this as well, including cat species and ungulates such as horses. What the lion is doing is drawing the scent into their nostrils, holding it for several seconds. They have a special sensory organ in the roof of their mouth which samples the chemicals in the odour. Two more lionesses. Safety in numbers. When a pride of lions hears the roar of a single lion approaching, 2 lions from the pride will always go out to meet the lone stranger. If 2 approaching lions can be heard, then the resident females send out 4 lions to meet them. The big cats seem to know how to keep track of how many pride members and newcomers are around. The modern lion's most recent common ancestor lived around 124,000 years ago. Modern lions then evolved into 2 groups, some living in Eastern and Southern Africa. The other includes living in Central and West Africa and India. Subscribe and give a like if you like lions. Remember to tap the bell icon to be notified when my next new video is uploaded. Thank you for watching my video. Please share with your friends. See you again soon.